Breaker Broke 23. So today is the day. We're going to unbox the Marantz 2230B. So I ordered this, or I won the auction, I should say, about a little over 2 weeks ago on eBay. It's a Beater 2230B. It looks terrible in the description, and that was being sold as untested, basically condition unknown. So that can be, this could be a huge fail, or it's going to work out. So I mean, we'll see. That's what I like, doing stuff like that. I think it's kind of fun. It's the unknown. So kind of an expensive unknown, but I do have plans for this, provided there is not like 22 pounds worth of bricks in this box. So we're going to unbox it and see if I got ripped off. It's almost like Christmas. It is Christmas. Christmas in February. Yay! Honestly, this seller seemed a little flaky because they didn't send me a tracking number or any information. He was very slow to respond to any of my emails. I don't ask for much, but I'd like to know like what's going on. Wow, they did a good job in packing, it looks like. Check this out. Pretty decent job here, I would say. All right, let's put the camera back. They did an excellent job packing it. Is that cat poop on here? Ew, it smells gross. It smells very musty, moldy. It smells like somebody's old record collection at a garage sale. Okay. I think I'm gonna reuse that box. Alrighty. Well, that mud or cat poop, dog poop. This is a black vinyl wrapped lid. That's interesting. All right. There she is. There's the engraving. I saw that. Here, you want to steal somebody's identity. Here's some social security numbers and an address for you. I can't believe, I mean, I know that was a thing in the 70s. I had a lot of CB radios that have come across my path in the last 30 years, and I know that back in the day people used to engrave their soch in a piece, but volume's up halfway, so that's probably for the photo shoot. All that seems good. Phono. All right, let's take a look at the back. So let me put the camera here and I'll swing her around and see what the back looks like. Very musty smelling. Wow. That's interesting. I don't see any engraving on the back panel. Cord seems to be okay. I want to fire it up, but I'm not going to yet. So what I'm going to do is pop off the cover, see if there's anything goofy going on in there. Okay, a little scary. All the screws were loose. Like they were in all the way, but they were loose. Holy Toledo window box. Oh my God. Wow. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't fire that up. That's not pretty. Look at all that dust. Wow, that's scary. think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go blow this out with compressed air. Oh wait, you know what? I'm going to pull the bottom off. Okay, so I took the bottom cover off and it looks pretty darn clean. Look at that. That's actually pretty nice. So, against my better judgment, I am going to power it up. And I say that I've had a few rigs kind of fry on me over the years when you first power them up. There are a lot of people that like to do recaps or repairs before they even fire them up. But quite honestly, it is what it is. We're going to find out. This scares me, this little power supply circuit here. This little power transistor that's right here on the heatsink has been very hot. I mean, this thing could have been left on for like months at a time. I mean, it just doesn't look good down there. So I'm going to address this board ASAP. But yeah, here we goes. We'll see.
Cut that off.
And it does not turn on. Oh, it does. Look at that. No dial lamps. Tuner does work. No right channel. Let's see here. No right channel. Ah, bummer. Alright, well, let's try this. Doesn't mono. Oh, look at that, guys. Just dirty switches. Sweet. Yeah, listen to that. Look at that. She is a runner. Let's go to AM. Find some non-copyright material.
Rito, your next big win is closer than you think. Start by getting Xfinity Internet, which gives you
so the pots need to be cleaned.
With coverage throughout your home. That's a win. You even get added protection.
This speaker switch needs to... Dude, this has just got to be totally gone through. But it works. I don't see any smoke yet.
Wireless network that saves you up to $400 a year on your wireless bill.
Oh,
and,
man.
Well, winning with Xfinity has never been more simple, easy, awesome. Don't miss out on Xfinity Internet.
Okay.
Each for $30
Listen to this.
a month. You get
See, I can't turn the volume down.
One-year agreement and mobile with 3 gig shared wireless data. Ask how you can get $300 off when you buy a new Galaxy S20 Ultra. Go to Xfinity.com/savebig. Call 800.
Okay, I'm not going to push my luck. All right, here's the deal. You saw when I checked balance, I had no audio on the right. A lot of people will just shut these things down, whether they're selling them on the interweb or whatever, and they'll just say, you know, it doesn't, you know, right channels out, or I mean, I've seen people throw stuff like this away because of what just happened here. So I put it over onto the right channel. I started playing with the mono stereo switch, tape monitor, all that stuff came back. These switches are gummed up. They are dirty as all get out. Okay. This stuff happens. This volume control's all goofy. It won't let the unit turn its way or turn itself all the way off. All these controls have got to be deoxed. So I'm going to do a video on that. I'm going to do, I think, maybe a few videos on the unit. Now that I know it's not a loss, I mean, this is a good workable unit, I want some input from you guys. I'm going to have to address this face issue because this is just not acceptable. I mean, it's in fairly good shape other than that, you know. I really hate to... God, what were they thinking? This is like defacing a Picasso or something, you know. The string dial tuner here hasn't been moved. I can sit here and turn this and the string just doesn't want to move. I don't know whether it's gummed up here or something, so there's going to be issues. But here's the input I want. I'm going to have to address this faceplate issue. Now, I'm not going to do it now. I'm going to get the electronics working. I'm going to clean all this up. We're going to cap it. We're going to clean up all these switches. We're going to make sure the bias is correct. I have very limited resources for test gear here, so this is kind of like a kitchen tabletop type repair here, but I think we're going to have success with it. I want your opinion. I can get a black face for this. You know, it's got that cool European look where it's black face and they laser etch it. I can get those, or we can get another 2230B silver face. Out of all the Marantzes I've owned, I've never owned a black face unit. So that may be interesting. We're going to have to do all the lights, the backlighting here. Here's another issue. I usually go with incandescent lights because I kind of like that old school look. That's the way they were back in the day. They didn't have those really gnarly blue modern LEDs back then. A lot of people prefer that blue modern LED look, so I want your opinion, you guys. Now, it's not saying I'm going to do what you guys say, but I would like some input on that. You know, I'm just kidding about that, by the way. So I'm thinking possibly black face with standard incandescent backlighting. Or should I use LED backlighting? Or should I not do the black face and just go with the standard silver face? So yeah, leave comments down below. This is going to be part one of our little 2230. And I don't want to really classify this as a restoration. We're just going to get it back up and running. I hear a lot of audiophiles say they fully restored their Marantz when all they did was they threw caps in, and that's not a full restore, in my opinion. Tell me if I'm wrong. Anyway, cool. I win. Couple things. I didn't get a box full of bricks, and it didn't blow up on me when I turned it on. So, hey, we're looking good so far. Questions or comments down below? Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. There's more.